Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Adidas Ultra Boost mid-cut shoes for energized run. So let me give you the specification real quick. This is a regular fit and then lace closure. There's an Adidas prime knit texture upper with the mid-cut color. Flexible stretch web outsole, continental rubber outsole for extraordinary traction in wet and dry conditions. Responsive boost midsole, stabilizing torsion system, lightweight and supportive. This one weigh about 10.9 ounce for the size 9. It offers an adaptable and lightweight 3D heel frame. And the product number is EE3732. The color is light granite, and then silver metallic. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So like always, I'm going to show you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Okay, you got the Adidas logo right there. And on the front, it says Boost. On the bottom, it is nothing. Show you guys the label real quick. I'm not sure why they put 200. This one, the retail price is 180 bucks. And then we got this on sale for only 130 bucks plus tax. Size 9. So let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, look at that. Look at this. This is why that I picked this up. It's unique and kind of different. And I like the sock line right here. Pretty nice. And there's like a padding right here on the top section right here. Wrap around and then stop right here. And then start it on this side again. So when I put this on, it's pretty snug. And I always like the Ultra Boost. It is pretty comfortable. And this is uncaged, so there's no cage at all. So here is your lace system right here. And on the pull tag, got the Adidas on the front of the top of the tongue. Got nice accent color right here for the wrap around the toe box area. And then you got the Adidas logo right there. And your Ultra Boost badge. Your Continental flexible stretch web outsole right here. And here is your torsion system. Check out the insole real quick and see if I could take it out. So it says Boost, and it is like a gray color. There's your Adidas 3 stripes logo right here. And there's this number. Oops. 8.5A. But this one's a size 9. So I'm going to turn on the light because it's so dark inside. I'm going to show you the size label right there. If you guys can see it. All right, there's a stitching. All right, so let's go and then check on the other shoes. Put that in later. So this is the tag that comes with it, Ultra Boost Mitt. All right, so I'm going to turn on the flash and see which part is 3M. All right, the 3M part is right here, the stripes around the top of the toe box right here. I think that's about it. The other part right here is just white. It's not 3M. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, but stay tuned for the on feed. So I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.